In today's video, let me show you how to fix Strava app crashing issue on your Android device. So if you're also having this issue where the Strava app is constantly crashing, the first thing that you can do in this situation is to try to clear out the cache of the Strava app. So what you can simply do, tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, head over to storage and then tap on clear data and then tap on the clear cache option. Now by alone doing this, you should be able to fix this issue, but however, if you're still having issues with it, what you can then try out is try to uninstall the Strava app from your device and then again re-download it. Any sort of bugs which may be causing the issue should be immediately fixed once you do this step. Lastly, to ensure that it is not the glitch on your device, you can also try to restart your device and fix any sort of glitches that your device might be having. So once you follow these 3 steps, you should be able to fix the Strava crashing app issue on your Android device. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.